how to get free web hosting for WordPress websites, and then it is free and then free for lifetime. So I'm using this free hosting, and then I'm going to show you how to get it. So under the active products and then services, as you can see down here, I am using a free forever plan, and I'm going to show you how to get the exact same web hosting for your WordPress website. So as you can see, it is active, and then all that you have to do is just go to manage and then click on it. So under the manage, when you log in, you can come here where it says login to direct admin. Just come and then click on it, and then it will log you directly into your control panel. So under the control panel, just come here where we have web management. Just come and then click on the down arrow, and then just locate advanced installer group, okay, and then click on it. So you can simply log in directly into your WordPress admin by simply clicking on this icon, okay. So as you can see, I am in my WordPress, and I can go to my website by going to my blog and then click on visit site, okay. So as you can see, my website is live, okay. But one important thing about every website is the SSL. So as you can see here, when you click on it, it says connection is secure, and when you click on the right arrow, it says connection is secured, and under here it says certificate is valid. So I have been given a free SSL as well. So let me go back to my dashboard, and as you can see, my WordPress is live, and I can even change the appearance of my website by going to the themes and click on it, and then all that I have to do is just go to add new themes, and then I click on it, okay. So under the popular themes, I can do whatever thing that I want. I can search for any of the popular themes, and one of them is the cadence, okay. So when you go to the cadence here, I can go to the preview by simply locating the preview and then click on it, okay. So this is how the website will look like. When I install it, I can customize it to fit my own preferences, okay. So now how can you also get this free web hosting? I'm having a link in the video description. Just click on it. It will bring you right here, and then just come and then click on explore hosting options, okay. So we have all these hostings. We have for WordPress, okay, we have the PHP hosting, we also have the Node hosting, we also have the Python hosting and all that, okay. But we are into the WordPress hosting, so we just come and then select the WordPress hosting, and over here come and then click on see pricing, okay. So they are going to show you their pricing plan, but we don't want to pay, so we are going to scroll down and then come here and then select the 125 megabyte free hosting plan. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get 10 gigabytes SSD for your hosting, okay. So just come here and then click on learn more. So when you click on the learn more, just come here and then come and click on start for free, okay. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account, and it is free to create an account, okay. So you can simply come and then create an account by filling your personal information by just coming here, then you put in your first name, then you come here, then you put in your last name, then you come here, then put in your phone number, then simply come here, then put in your email address, and then come and set your billing address by putting your company name. You select the country that you are in, and then you come and put in your street address here, okay. So the street address too, this one, it is optional, it is not compulsory. You can leave it if you don't want to fill it, okay, but you have to put in the state name here, then come and put in the city, and then come down and then put in the postal code, okay. The next important thing is to set your account security by simply just come to the password and then put in your password. After that, just come and then confirm the password, okay. So when you are done, what you have to do is that you just have to come and then set your payment details. They accept credit card, okay, but if you don't have any credit card, no worries, we have credit card alternative that you can go for. So we have the PayPal. If you have PayPal, just select the PayPal, and then they also accept the crypto, okay. And you don't even have to register for PayPal to go through the registration. So if you don't have any of this, just select the PayPal and you'll be allowed to go on with the registration, even though you don't have the account, okay. So just come and check you have read their terms of services, and then come and click on check out, okay. So when you click on checkout, you'll be logged into your dashboard just like this one, and then under your products and services, the active one, you are going to see this plan, which is free and then free forever, okay. So if you don't have a domain name, I'm having a video on how to get a domain name. Just watch it, okay. Then come and click on manage, and then after that, just come here where we have the login to direct admin, just come and then click on it. Okay, and then you'll be logged into your control panel just like this one. Just come here where it says website management, just come and click on the down arrow and then come and select advanced installer hoop. Okay, so under the advanced installer hoop, just locate the sidebar website builder and then come to the blogs and then come and click on the right arrow. Okay, so when you click on it, you will see the WordPress here. Just click on it, and then all that you have to do is just locate the WordPress just like this one. Okay, then come to the install and then come and click on the down arrow and then select quick install. So when you click on the quick install, the next important thing is that you have to make sure that you are installing the most latest up-to-date WordPress. Okay, just select it, and then after selecting it, just come here and then set your password. Okay, so with the admin username, just leave it at admin, and then the password, you have to put in your own password by clearing what is given and then put in your own strong password. Okay, so temporarily you are going to use the admin email, this one, and then just come down here where we have the install and then come and click on the install. Okay, your WordPress will be installed for you, and you can simply come and then log in by clicking on this login icon. Okay, so when you click on it, as you can see, our WordPress is live, and we can change the appearance of our WordPress by simply coming to the appearance and then click on themes. So when you click on themes, all that you have to do is just go to add new themes and then click on it, and then let's locate the popular theme that people mostly use, which is the cadence, and then you can preview it by simply coming here and then click on preview. Okay, so when you are done installing the theme, you can customize it to look how you want it. Okay, so now I told you that I'm going to show you how to get 10 SSD for your storage. Okay, so I'm having a video showing you exactly how to get that 10 SSD for your hosting storage. Just watch it from my channel and then like the video, and then see you in my next video.